12:22 here. If you're waiting for it to warm up today, you're just like roll back into bed until about Thursday. It's going to be one of those types of weeks here, at least to start the week. Winter weather returns, at least winter temperatures. This is some chilly stuff here. It doesn't get this cold very often in early March. I mean, once in a while it does. But clouds and some drizzle today helping to keep temperatures down. No sun today. Maybe a little sun could break through the clouds tomorrow afternoon. But if you're looking for warmer weather, it starts to really kick in by about Thursday and especially Friday and the weekend coming up. I know spring break's right around the corner, but you just got to get through this little bump, and then it's all warm weather this weekend. You can enjoy the start of spring break. Wind chill right now in the 20s. We have a wind chill advisory in effect across the area. All these counties here under the wind chill advisory, and this continues all the way until 9 a.m. tomorrow. So wind chill advisory in effect again until 9 a.m. Tuesday morning. Current temperatures are in the 30s now, 37 in Weslaco. We actually broke the record low for the date in Weslaco at about 10:20, 10:30 this morning. Went down to 36 degrees, and that broke the record. We're right back at 37 now, but temperatures probably won't change much this afternoon. May go up a couple degrees as some of the drizzle kind of fades away, but kind of hanging probably right around the 40-degree mark or so most of this afternoon. Current wind speeds are all from the north. Strongest near the coast, about 20 to 25 miles per hour. A little less wind the farther you go into Starr County, but it makes it feel colder than when you get that wind. The wind chill, the feels like temperature, mainly in the 20s where the winds are strongest in the lower valley. 28 the apparent temperature you feel on your exposed skin in Harlingen, 29 in Brownsville, 31 in Rio Grande City. Now, remember, I said earlier, these values are calculated, assuming that you're dry. If you're outside and you get some drizzle on you and you're out working for a while and you get kind of wet, and then you get hit by the wind, it makes you feel even colder than this. So you want to stay dry for sure to stay warm as today. The wind chill today and tonight, here's our little chart here. Temperatures in the mid-30s and near 40 degrees. Wind speeds roughly 10 to 20 miles per hour, maybe slightly higher than that once in a while. But the wind chill will be in that range from about 24 degrees to 34 degrees most of the time today and tonight. So that's how cold it feels on your exposed skin if you're outdoors today or tonight. And it'll still be a little chilly through tomorrow morning as well. And even really the afternoon tomorrow doesn't warm up a lot. First 1.5 Doppler network shows a little bit of drizzle still out there. Even where you don't see some of this little patchy green stuff, there might still be some misty, drizzly stuff around in spots. But not a lot of rain coming down, but still that little damp, drizzly, cold condition out there. Future track does show clouds all day long, sprinkles or some drizzle possible at times, but not very much rain. And still chilly this evening. If you're outdoors this evening tonight, temperatures will stay above freezing, but they'll be hovering in the mid to upper 30s. So it's a cold night for you out there. And then tomorrow we start off chilly in the morning. You notice Future Track tries to break apart some of the clouds. This model runs a little farther south of the clearing line in the previous one, but it's possible we may see the sun try to break through for a while tomorrow. The better chances the farther north you are, but at the same time, all the clouds and moisture still kind of not able to get pushed away. So more than likely, if you do see a little sun tomorrow, it's the farther north you live into Willacy, Hidalgo, and Starr counties and beyond. But it's a good chance that most of the valley could still be stuck in the clouds nearly all day tomorrow to make it feel pretty chilly. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, you might see a couple sprinkles around or a light rain shower or two as moisture comes back from the south and thickens up the clouds. But with the increase in moisture, you don't see much on Future Track, but there might be a little bit of light rain shower activity or some sprinkles on Wednesday. But temperatures will be on the rebound gradually. Not a huge warm up on Wednesday, but not as cold as today. Probably only near 40 the rest of this afternoon. Some very light rain showers and drizzle. Winds from the north today, and then by tonight we're down to around 38 degrees, clouds, some drizzle, and chilly temperatures all around. We're already at 38 degrees, so it may actually go a little below that tonight, kind of hanging right in the upper 30s though. First 1.5 7-day forecast, 50 tomorrow. Not much warmer than today, and again, we may break out into a little sun. If that happens, it could be a little warmer than that in spots, but if it stays thick cloud cover, you may only hang around 47, 48, 49 in a few spots. Wednesday, clouds again, maybe a few light rain showers near 58. That's not too warm yet. Thursday is when we kind of start to kick out the cold air. We could make it back into the 70s, although sometimes these cold air masses take a little extra longer to get out, so don't be surprised if some parts of the valley don't get out of the 60s on Thursday and stays kind of cloudy. But it could be a little breezy on Thursday and Friday. 84 on Friday. It looks like plenty of warm weather for the weekend. Could be kind of windy at times later Friday and Saturday ahead of another weak front in the area. That one doesn't have much punch to it, but as it comes into the valley over the weekend, it keeps it warm ahead of it, and a very, very, very small chance for a shower ahead of the front. But don't forget to set your clocks ahead an hour this weekend, Saturday night, Sunday morning as well. We'll keep tracking in your first 1.5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.